Hello and welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we will learn how to build a WhatsApp chatbot for your art gallery using Pabbly Chatflow. For example, let's say you run an art gallery and you receive multiple message requests from your users at the same time. Responding and managing all the messages manually can be time-consuming and confusing. So to solve this problem, we will automate this entire process by creating an automated WhatsApp chatbot. And that will be created with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, so that whenever your users send a message to your WhatsApp business account, then automatically your bot will be replying to them. So now to see the working of this amazing automation and learn the process step by step, let's go to my screen.
Welcome to my screen everyone. So this is right here is the automated WhatsApp chatbot that we will be creating in this video. This bot will handle all the message requests coming from your users regarding your art gallery, schedule their visit and manage the entire process without any manual efforts. And this will be only possible with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. But before moving forward, let me give you a quick overview of how this bot will work in real time. For that, I am going to send one message to my WhatsApp business account of art gallery. Here I am sending my first message as hello. As soon as I send the message, you will see that the bot will instantly respond to me like this, that hi there, welcome to Art Vista Gallery. How can we help you today? It also provides two quick buttons, that is book visit and the contact. Here I want to book a visit, so I am clicking on this book visit button. Next, the bot asks me to select the artwork type by sending a message. Great, please choose a type of artwork you would like to explore, along with the list containing options like modern art, classic art, abstract art and the sculptures. I am going to book a visit for classic art, so I am selecting this. After that, the bot will ask me for my full name, which I am entering as test user. Next, it asks for my contact number, so I am sharing one test contact number. Finally, it asked me to share the date that when I would like to visit the gallery. See, once I provided the date, then I have received one customized confirmation message from my bot, which includes all the details that I have shared while communicating with my bot. That is the name I share as test user, contact number, visit date, and the art preference that I have selected from the list. So if you also want to create this type of automated WhatsApp chatbot for your art gallery, simply follow the step-by-step instructions I'll be showing in this video. So let's get started. First, you have to open a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. So this is the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool that helps you to automate WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 for your different type of businesses. Now I'll give you a quick overview of Pabbly community. So this is right over here is Pabbly community, where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. If you face any issue while using the Pabbly, then you can share your questions here and the people who are facing similar problem just like you, or even the Pabbly team members will help you out. So if you also want to join this amazing community, then I'll provide the link of this community in the description below. You can check out. Now we will return to the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. In this page, on the right hand side, you can see two options. One is sign in and the other is sign up free option. If you are a new user, then you can click on sign up free option and get 100 free credits every month to explore the software. If you are an existing user, then you can click on sign in option. Since I am an existing user, so I am clicking on the sign in option. So these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their users, as we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, and that will be created with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So I am going in this Pabbly Chatflow by clicking Access Now button. See, this is the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, where you can add and manage all of your WhatsApp number in one place. Here you can see your credits allotted, your credits consumed, your credits remaining, and the WhatsApp number added. If you want to add a new WhatsApp number into your Pabbly Chatflow account, then you have to click on this plus add WhatsApp number button. When you click on it, it will provide you two options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. If you want a detailed video of how you can connect your WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have already created a separate video for it for both of these steps. I'll provide the link of the video in the description below. And in this folder section, you can create multiple folders into your Pabbly Chatflow account by clicking on this plus option, where you have to enter the folder name in this field and also select the parent folder from here. And in this home section, you can see the status of your WhatsApp number that were added into your Pabbly Chatflow account. On the left hand side, you can see the multiple features of Pabbly Chatflow, that is inbox, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast, flows, AI assistant, activity log, settings and get help. If you want to learn more about all of these features, then we have already created a separate video for it. Check the description box for the video link. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so I will click on this flows option. So this is the page where you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Flow Builder. It creates and manages static chatbot seamlessly using a no-code, user-friendly drag and drop builder. As we are creating a new WhatsApp chatbot, so I will click on this plus add flow button. See, this is the starting point of your flow, that is trigger. But before this, at first you have to give the name to your flow, that what you are creating. So here I am entering the name as build a WhatsApp chatbot for your art gallery using Pabbly Chatflow. Now I'll give you a quick review about these two options, messages and actions. Under the messages, you can see different buttons are there, as well as under the actions, you can see different buttons are there. We will use these buttons in the creation of our flow. On the right hand side, you can see two options are there. The one is active and active toggle. With the help of this, your flow will be active. If you don't enable this toggle, then your flow will become inactive and it will not work. And the another one is the save button. With the help of this button, your flow will be saved and updated. Now let's get started. So for starting the creation of your flow, at first you have to select your trigger event. When you click on it, it will provide you multiple types of trigger events. I am creating this flow with the help of keywords, so I am selecting this. Keywords are those manually entered words that I expect that my user sends to me. And the another one is the regex. Regex stands for regular expression. It can extract useful data from inputs such as email, phone number, order number, etc. You can also enable this toggle if you want to activate some specific feature or behavior into your chatbot. As we are creating this flow with the help of keywords, so the first keyword I am entering in this enter keywords box as hello. After writing the keyword, you have to press enter so that it will add it into the list. Now I am adding one more keyword here, art gallery. Here I added only two keywords, but you can add multiple. Now whenever my user will send any of these keywords to my WhatsApp business account of art gallery, then automatically my bot gets trigger and reply to them by sending them one welcome message, which includes two quick buttons. For that, I am selecting this text button from here and writing the first message that my bot will respond to my user in this enter message box. Hi there, welcome to Art Vista Gallery. How can we help you today? Now I am adding two quick buttons for my user. For that, I am clicking on this plus add button. It will provide me one enter text box where I am going to write my first button as book visit. After that, I am adding one more button, contact us. Now I am connecting the starting point of my flow, that is this trigger, to this message by clicking on this circle, dragging a line and connecting this line to this circle. Here my trigger point is connected to my message. Let's assume my users wants to book visit into my gallery. Then they will click on this book visit button. Then my bot will respond to them. For that, I am taking one list button, drag this box here. This list button is divided in three parts, that is header, body and footer. Where at first you have to write the header in this enter header box. It is an optional, so I am leaving this blank. After that, I am going to write the message body in this enter message box. As I want to share the list of art types to my users, so I entered the message body as great. Please choose the type of artwork you'd like to explore. After that, you can also write the footer in this enter footer box if you want to. Now I am going to add the list of art types. For that, I am clicking on this H section button where I am going to write the section title as types of arts. Here I need to add the list. So for creating the list, I am clicking on this plus add items button 4 times. Here I am adding only 4 types of artworks, but you can add more. The process of adding items into your list would be the same. Here I have done, you can see I write the first artwork type as modern art, then the classic art, after that the abstract art, and lastly I write that sculptures. You can also write the description in this enter description box if you want to. After that, I am connecting this circle which are present in front of book visit to this message. Now when my user will select the types of art, then my bot will respond to them. But before that, I am going to do the setup of custom field tag. For that, I am clicking on this actions option and taking the button as set custom field, drag this box here where I am going to select the contact custom field as style preference, and in this enter value box I am going to write this, that is modern art. Then I am connecting this circle to this message. I write this modern art in this enter value box because I set this contact custom field not specifically for this modern art type. Now I will explain you why we use this contact custom field not here and from where you can create this contact custom field. But before switching to the another tab, at first you have to save your flow. If you don't save your flow and switch to the another tab, tab, then all the progress of your flow will be lost. For creating this contact custom field, you have to click on the settings option and click on this contact custom fields option. Here I am opening this in a new tab. So this is the page where you can create multiple types of contact custom field for your different type of users. It is a user specific parameters for managing contact details like name, emails, tags, countries, etc. When you scroll down, you can see one option is there, that is plus add more field. When you click on it, it will provide you one field name box where you have to write the field name here and also write the field description in this field description box. As I already created one contact custom field by the name of style preference, so I am not creating more. Now we will go back to our flow. Here I set this contact custom field node for this art type. Now I am going to do the setup of 3 more contact custom field node here for each of these art types. Here I have done, you can see I use the same contact custom field, that is style preference, but only change the value. At the end, this will help my bot to provide customized message to my users completely based on their selected choice. Now when my user will select the art type, then my bot will ask them to share their full name. For that I am adding one ask question button. Drag this box here and I am writing my question in this enter message box. Please share your full name. For that I am selecting the contact custom field as full name. After that, the format I select as text, as name should always in the format of text. Then the number of attempts. Number of attempts is defined as how many times your user will answer the question that you have right here. It also means that whenever your user will not provide you respond in the correct format, then you have to increase the number of attempts for them. But make sure that whenever you increase the number of attempts, you have to write the validation message in this enter message box. Here I am giving the number of attempts as 0, so there is no requirement of any validation message. Then I am connecting all these 4 circles to this message. See, it is connected. Connection plays major role. You have to make sure that each and every node will connect with each other. Now when my user will provide me their full name, then my bot will ask them to share their contact number and the date for booking the visit. For that I am going to do the same that I have done here, means I am adding 2 more questions in this flow. Here I added, where in this question box I ask my user to share their contact number. For that I have selected the contact custom field as contact number. After that, the format I select as number. Then I added the minimum and maximum value in both of these boxes. You can also use these default values for the number format. Lastly, I ask my user to share the date that when they would like to visit my art gallery. For that I have selected the contact custom field as visit date. After that, the format I select as date. Now when my user will select the style preference, provide me their full name, contact number and the booking date, then at last my bot will provide one customized confirmation message to my user which includes all their details that they were shared. For that I am clicking on this messages option and taking the button as text button, drag this box here and writing my respond message in this enter message box. Your gallery visit is confirmed. Here are your details: name with $symbol, full name, contact number, visit dates and the style preference. It is visible that I have used the $symbol before some fields because with the help of this symbol my bot will reply to my users dynamically, as whenever they share their full name here, then with the help of this contact custom field not full name, my bot will automatically capture my users provided response and mention their specific name in this place. So now I think you will better understand the main use of contact custom field. After that I am connecting this circle to this message. Now the next button is the contact us. If my users want the contact details of my art gallery, then they will click on this contact us button, then my bot will respond to them. For that I am clicking on this circle, dragging a line, selecting the content type as text button, where I am going to write the contact details of my art gallery in this enter message box. Here I entered. Now our flow is completed. After the completion of your flow, you have to click on this button, save button, so that your flow will be updated. If you face any difficulties or you have any questions while creating this flow, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. I will also provide the link of this flow in the description below. You can check out. This automated chatbot will reply to your users 24/7 instantly without you doing any manual efforts. And the best part is this amazing chatbot is created without requiring any single line of code. It will only made possible with the help of Pabbly Chatflow.
So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.